name is Randy Flaum. I am a freelance videographer, photographer, specialized in documentary work, and we've lived in York since 2000. The exhibit itself are portraits of volunteers at the York County Food Bank. People have been working throughout this whole epidemic, as well as just cold weather and so forth. And so I've done a little work with them and thought this might be a good way to feature some of them. Well, I learned more about the volunteers. They find pleasure, joy, it's in their heart to give. The food bank is good within itself. I mean, and they have a good meaning for what they do, but I don't think they could survive without the volunteers. Well, I know Shrek is a big green monster who's got a big heart, just like the people at the volunteers at the food bank.
Yeah.
Okay, my name is Randy Flaum. The exhibit is the Food Bank Volunteers, and the show will be showing with Shrek through October 17th.